Welcome to Rest of His Referrals podcast. In this, our very first episode, I'm going to show you how you can establish your referral marketing system. And other episodes, I'm going to invite restoration business owners, restoration business professionals, and independent adjusters as well. So let me start with why referral marketing. I'm going to show you top referral marketing statistics. So let's see. So as you can see, 92% of customers trust referrals from friends and family over other forms of advertising. That's how powerful it is. And the second one is 88% of Americans say they would like some sort of incentive for sharing products on social media. And the other one is customers discuss specific brands in conversations 90 times per week. That's huge. 86% of B2B buyers say word of mouth is the most influential factor in making purchase decisions. And 83 of customers are willing to refer products and services. And the last one, 69% of employees have an employee referral program. Maybe you need to consider this one as well. So let's dive into it. How to start referral marketing for restoration businesses. First of all, I tried email marketing. If you don't, combine with LinkedIn marketing, email marketing is kind of hard for referral marketing. So you need to start with LinkedIn. And first step, you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So I will show you two different examples. You will better understand how you can optimize your profile, because when you send connection requests to your potential referral partners, they will check out your profile. And then if your profile is not optimized, they will think about, oh, this is not professional, blah, blah, blah. So your acceptance rate will be low. So let's check out my profile. As you can see, when someone come to my profile, they will see what I'm doing right away. And as you can see, I didn't even talk about my title and everything. It's just telling that what I'm doing. You don't need to type your title on your headline. And here also my company page, I attach my company name here. And here I have, the link that people can join my podcast, or people can, check out my website. You can put your website, contact us form, or referral page link, whatever you want. And when you scroll down, I put, different, presentations about referral marketing and featured them. You can copy this method as well. You can write it down, some posts, and then feature, so they can check out what you're doing. And when you scroll down, this is the about section. I use emojis for getting attention. And I also I have call to action and everything. So this is my profile, and let's have a look. I want to type water damage, and I will check randomly. So water damage and people. So let's check Bruce. So Bruce Powell, he doesn't has a cover image. He needs to change his headline. And also when you scroll down, when you check out about section, This is not about him. He just copy and pasted his company's about section. It's also not professional. Maybe he can say something professional about his career and all that stuff. And he doesn't even have a feature section like mine. Yeah, this is this is an example. So this is the bad example and this is the good example. If you want to check out my LinkedIn profile, here's my link. You can check all the details and then you can copy my page. That's it. The second one is upgrade your LinkedIn account to Sales Navigator. This is, as you can see, optional. You can research for free as well. But if you want to research deeply, I mean, you can, I will show you in a second. You have many options, years of experience and all that stuff. But obviously searching is free. So let's say we wanna reach out large loss professionals. So you can click large loss people, and then obviously United States or let's say New York. You can also add you can put like this. You can add more keywords. So large loss, I can add or and then plumbing. So you have more option obviously, but I don't recommend you to mix different audiences. Let's start with large loss. So Sales Navigator, I would like to show you how it's look like. So for Sales Navigator, if you want to use it, there are a lot of options. Like you can click leads search, and then as you can see, industry. You can also do it on free version. Like you have a bunch of option here. You can check out their current company, past company, industry as well. But in here you have company headcount, current company, that's all, or seniority level function. It's more advanced search, but you don't need to get Sales Navigator, as I said. This is enough for us. And the second one, the third one is find your target audience. So what we are doing is we are trying to find our target audience. And as you can see, like sales, this guy, property large loss field adjuster, all of them are our target audience. And then find an automation tool. So this is really important. I can show you some automation tools that you can use. Or if you want to reach out us, we can help you to establish all your systems, including VA and creating the content for your LinkedIn, optimizing your profile. One of them is Dripify. Sorry, this is Dripify.io. And you can check Meet Alfred. So these two companies you can use for your LinkedIn outreach. And as you can see, this is I highly recommend you to get Pro version for Dripify and Meet Alfred also. This is cheaper than Dripify and also effective. You can only establish one campaign for $40, but that's fine. But you don't have that much features if you don't buy personal or business package. You can compare. As you can see, you can send group messages, invite automation, and all that stuff for in the business package. In Dripify, we don't have group messages, only connection request and follow-up messages. And then you can write your messages with ChatGPT. So you can play around here, can edit your messages, you will be okay. Create a Calendly account. so you can share your link with your prospects. I'm going to show you one of the results that we get recently. So this is one of my clients' account, and I'm going to show you we got the message right away. For example, this one. So as you can see, we are offering $50 Amazon gift card if they want to join our, introduction call. And this guy interested to join. And as you can see, he's licensed title insurance agent, and he's in the real estate, as you can see, real estate associate attorney. You can make a lot of money. You don't need to spend a lot of money on Google ads, thousands of dollars, because when you check, water damage, one click is over 100 US dollar sometimes. So you can find your referral partners, and then they can generate revenue for you, and then they will get paid from you, so everybody will be happy. If you have any questions, you can reach out me, Burak at restobizreferrals.com. We have also proposal. So our special offer is 500 US dollar, and we are providing virtual assistant for your booking calls. So we are replying your messages and arranging the introduction call. So you don't need to do anything else. Only you allow us to manage your account, and also content management. We are sharing content on LinkedIn. So when people come to your page, they will recognize you, and also it's really good for your reputation. And we can create unlimited campaigns, and we can do multi-channel automation, LinkedIn, email, and Twitter as well. And we have advanced LinkedIn CRM and social media post scheduling, as I already told you. And also we can send in-mail automation if you have Sales Navigator. And we have LinkedIn group automation, LinkedIn event automation, LinkedIn content retargeting, custom personalized snippets also, obviously. We can export all the data and send it to you. Integrations, we can integrate with your Zapier or with your CRM. And we can also send attachments, and we have dedicated account managers, migration and onboarding process as well, and also obviously priority support. So this is what we are doing. If you want to start your referral marketing campaigns, please reach out to me, and then we can help you. Thank you for your consideration. Hope you will love the other episodes. Cheers.